It's important to deal with sports injuries right away when you're a young person because those can be very detrimental as we get older. A lot of times people don't realize that those early sports injuries can lead to arthritis and painful joints. Things that you do now can actually prevent more serious problems down the road. So handling a sports injury early can prevent you having to have a knee replacement, joint resurfacing procedure later on in life. So don't wait for it to become more serious. Sports injuries that aren't dealt with properly can certainly lead to chronic conditions. They can lead to deformity and pain. They can certainly lead to severe arthritis, which will require joint replacements. So it's important to deal with those sports injuries so that you don't have long-term problems. Open communication is very important in order to determine whether or not an athlete is ready to return to play after a sports injury. That may be talking with the athletic trainer, talking with the physical therapist, and also talking to the parents to see if they are actually doing those activities pain-free. We certainly don't want to send an athlete back to the field until they are pain-free and are regained their motion and strength. So open communication between all parties is crucial to get that athlete back on the field, but when it's safe for he or she. Recent evidence about rest in athletics shows that an athlete often needs up to 10 hours a day in order to achieve adequate rest, which will allow him to perform at maximum level. What happens when we sleep less than 10 hours a night, we actually can have a deficit, and so that can decrease our speed, it can decrease our performance in being able to hit a fastball and focus. So all those things are important to consider with rest. Unfortunately, with many kids' schedules these days, they just don't have enough time to get sleep. So you have to really be disciplined about getting adequate rest.